Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you clicked on it because I want to tell you guys something. I may have a computer addiction problem. I'm going to show you a quick tour and show you how many computers I actually have in my household. First up, I got my Ryzen 5 1600AF paired with a RX 580. It's in my formal living room, dining room, and it's awesome. All right, batting second is an oldie but a goodie, a 5-year-old computer. It is my Dell Inspiron 3650. It's a great web streaming computer. I just put in an SSD in this a couple days ago. You can watch the video right up here, but it's awesome. All right, number 3 in the house is my Ryzen 5 2600 build. It is paired with an RX 580, 4 gigabyte, and of course, I've got a 4K 43-inch TV hooked up to it because I didn't have a monitor. And yes, it's awesome. And the fourth computer I have, it's my son's computer. He has a Ryzen 5 3600. It is paired with a 1660 Super Gaming X. And it is awesome. All right, batting fifth is another Ryzen build. It's a Ryzen 2700X paired with an RTX 2070. And you can tell I have all the Noctua fans in there, and it was my pride and joy. My baby, my first time build. Give it up for my Ryzen 2700X rig. And last, but certainly not least, is my old laptop. It's an AMD A8 6410 APU with AMD Radeon R5 graphics. And I barely use it, only when I go on vacation just to surf the web. So for that, I'm going to say it's awesome. Well, all right, there you have it. 6 total computers in this household. I don't know if I have a problem, but I feel like I want to make one more computer just to do it, maybe an APU build. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe for that future content. Everybody, I want to thank you for watching this video, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.